down now because the thing kind of change.
Married life.
No, the badness change, man.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you know certain things, you don't try to use it.
You have to let it go.
For overextend yourself because you know, say, rate it. You understand what I mean?
It
You don't put yourself
Takes them off approach with caution.
It goes so.
Yeah, you don't.
No caution round here. Fire! Lightning and thunder on the word there.
No worry yourself,
No,
man.
no,
You don't
Kimmy,
know,
believe me, man.
We know you have to
Trust
approach
me,
with
man.
caution. Trust me.
Plan,
Believe me, Kimmy.
Me know plan. Me know.
Yeah, man,
Like
certain
Okay.
things. You see, my mom, certain things you just don't. You not because certain things are rare. You just want and put yourself out there for no reason at all. No. You see me? It don't make no sense. And over politics, because at the end of the day, when it done and we win, you gone boy your business gone in your shame and I me a jump up. It never make no sense. But one can out to enjoy every bit of what Andrew do.
True.
No,
come
vote and go back. Yeah, forward come vote, kids. Yeah, forward come vote and go back.
Me a come Jamaica come work.
I kind of understand your thing, man. Because I remember saying the entire lane, you have to, but
Listen to me.
You have to bad in the
Let me tell you something. I want to tell Rusty who my father is, and Rusty couldn't believe it. So I just keep it like that. You see me? Yeah.
It's a Punkos attack to you there.
Yeah. What Punko say? Where am they? Oh. In what? In what face it? Come. We don't be yourself. Sure. Yeah, man.
Anytime the man them say nothing, plank, as me start talk to jump, plank. You go on your
Guys, remember, we support, we liberate them in the night, and in the day, and in the night, and we support the night liberate them like myself, and the live them. Yeah. So that's how we have to support each other. You feel me? Because
we will come listening, you know, but my thing on Instagram, me I say, they over there at trace them
what we want them to come in and listen. Tap up his screen if you can. Share the live. Send some if you can. Do we can do keep it going because at the end of the day, what I love about this time, remember, you know, back in the days, we only rely upon radio and newspaper and TV. Now we have a voice. We have things that we can talk. Now we can't rely upon them alone. Only we have social media to help us. And now
another thing to Kimmy, me now cut you. We need to protect Navi. She's not a gangster.
And Tari,
I should say. And certain things where them want set to her, it a got hurt. She not grow that shell there yet.
No.
Yeah, we have to protect her. Yeah, we have to because whether you want to say something to her, I can't tell that she hurt.
You see anybody needs to see trouble she know. Is that suck your mother straight, you know?
Same way.
Is that jump off me mother head, you know? As a matter of fact, go join in her.
First of all, why would you want to tell that little girl them something there? Because she don't agree with you?
A woman with a belly a touch ground, man. The big fat woman.
Listen, let me tell you why they do it.
All over that, man. All over that, man. A long time go. When Udo reach her, she run going to the church. When one church run side of me yard go baptize. And after people them give her much money, say she want to start selling and make them bill style give her. And she never want to give them money and go right back on the go pole.
Yeah, go come down.
Me not hide and she can't see me and chuck off my face. She can't. And the truth.
The thing is, you know, Tis, let me tell you what is their issue. They realize that their plans, or not even their plans, but their talk on social media now gone away. They realize that their party leader is a public meme. They realize say them second, the pork eating Rasta is another meme. They realize all of them is a meme. And so because of that, they start to attack our body. Or we look, or with this, or with whatever.
But them not see how she look. Them see how she look. The time she sometimes I see what me not even go over there, cause me not look upon her because through me know her and me know her history and so me not really pay her no mind, cause Miss Sarah carry on, and I know say I saw she stay. Cause when Andrew did win 2020, she did go viral a ball, you know. And she did that on one video, ball in a cow ball, you know, when Andrew did win. She'd go viral. A cow ball.
She did say, where you put the X? And she said, beside the bell. And she said, bumbo clot, we lose, blood clot. What you say? So you put the X
she always
beside the
go
bell.
viral, man, because so she stay. So she go on and so she stay. But I'm surprised she have time for even the car. If her son no stop flog her out of bus stand there, so she there now. Me no look upon that woman there now. She can't say nothing for offend me. And sometimes I see people I get that woman there, she just unhappy. She's just unhappy.
One time.
The PNP them unhappy. The whole of the PNP them unhappy.
Me just them pass and go small information. Come kind of babysit right now. Lexi asked me to get a number for Intense, but the road manager actually my cousin, so I get a number from the road manager saying she can link the road manager and then they build the business from there.
Oh.
Yeah, because she want back to complete them.
Complete them?
Yeah, so I just pass and I just go on for your something and send the number for your platform, for your thing. And you can pass it on to her. Yeah, man. All right. I'm sorry. You can't get no time, so I'm jump out. So I love her. Big up on yourself. I like how now keep the thing going. Keep it same way.
Sir, follow me and join my live later.
Show.
Follow me, join my live later, 5:30.
Yeah, man. I ask man. I want uptown. No, keep me big up yourself. Favor, Papi, whole uptown. I want
one Juliet.
You know you like that, you know, but I just you don't know. I know you feel right now. I didn't could be babysitting. No, I know I'm mommy get mad bad.
You know me like that. Give me, but me follow you already too. Then.
Yeah, man. Well, I would not labor right now. Follow one night and keep the thing going.
Send me a DM. Come on, what you? My fast bad.
All right. No say party. No say party. All right.
But yes, guys, what I also happy for, as another election year, me realize. Remember there was a time when, you know, labor rights.
What I mean, real girl.
Then, you know, but now, it's like the unity we have now, it's different from in the past, brother. To me, it's just different. Everything about it different. Everything about that term and loading different. Everything about the whole concept of the election is different. And
because the labor right, them active and stronger, Kimmy, we have a more, because Andrew Holness believe in we and we believe in him, so the thing just straight no more.
We just love it. Me say me love it.
Remember the tent.
I love it, bad. I love it.
I want to go on the tent. Plank the tent. You go like in the ear.
Him ear, him know.
What go on the tent?
Whatever.
We have a gospel concert at St. Thomas.
Round 2? Round 2?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Plank go?
Plank here come?
To me, I say Plank remember the tent.
I want him remember, him know. I want him gone.
Him good at work, man.
Hey, this is a gospel set. Check, yo. Yo.
Kimmy, you went?
Hey,
I didn't, you know, so I'm gonna be honest.
I did. I did.
Girl, I saw you. I was on your live. I go on everybody live stream and go send a gift. Tap up your live, send a gift and come back.
Later, everyone, I'm working. May I listen?
I'm here.
In and out, you know. All right. Yes.
Respect.
Yes.
Send me a number.
Sonny.
All right.
You tell us, I'm turn up and I admire your body all the time, man. Sonny.
But I never see up on my live last night.
Sonny.
Yeah. What time?
Sonny.
Yeah, daddy.
You like problem?
My live runs from 5:30
to mom just attack you. All right, I go up today.
Plank.
Me never in the car. Me know the car. Me hear what she said, man. She said, if I can't, me tell Charles.
Boy, come like Plank response for everybody, you know.
Me not give all the command.
May I go sentence Sunday now?
time, last time.
Man, I can't pick me up.
A taxi me I go take cause me I go stop by my stepfather before I go over exchange.
Oh.
The last time.
I want to repeat them. We don't say one. When I Sunday impact last one too.
Sunday, man. Sunday, hold on. The last time, Kimmy come up here and say, want to a good man. I mean, Kimmy want a good man. Me don't hear back from Kimmy.
Me not have no man. Me still single. Behave yourself and calm down.
Tell him, Kimmy. Yeah, man. I think Impact Boss have for them. 4 of them are going Sunday.
How the Impact Boss, huh?
I want girl.
Nah, man. Yeah. That's our name. Out of East, man. Donovan Williams. Donovan one.
But me I got Matthew Samuda.
Matthew one Sunday. And I think on Sunday out of St. Thomas too.
St. Thomas. Not there Sunday.
I got one of them there. I don't know which one, but I got there one of them still for sure.
Sonny, I'm going to surprise you, man. Never just pull up one day and just say, Sonny, come.
So I say, come on, I'm here plank money. I'm a daddy, man. You know it going on, man. I'm a different person. That's it.
Plank, imagine when all the world we buck up. What a judgment.
Outside, under the tent.
Run for Uno, because I agree with this. I stay far from Uno.
Somebody said, Mr. One comment plank.
Sorry, they want to take my virginity. They are run from Uno.
Plank. Mr. One PNP on Instagram say, I met Angela call the election. Somebody say, yeah, idiot. You see the green clocks drop here, shut up. Me say, I will say that. The green clocks have a drop. It have a drop first. I feel like it have a drop first.
Them now force my prime minister for call no election. Them call it when him ready.
That's what they want. That's what they want. And them say because him a take so long, him a go lose the momentum. But I like that.
I'm more momentum him again because every fucking day the PNP they make a mistake. And you gain a points.
The longer him stay for call the election, the better feel because all the PNP them have to do is open them out and in-game.
But the thing is, it even hurt me because yesterday with dial valves at the bus, handing over the bus.
And they could nasty make you Philip
Sunday, what time you got work? You know work this week?
Yeah, man, I have some more crap to come on.
Oh, okay.
And the little nasty Michael Phillips him no go. Mr. them stick on stuff.
I know that hurt me. I know that me laugh off at Tamara. When Darrell go, yo. Me look on the dignitary them where hand over the bus. I laugh. I mean good laugh. One of them nearly drop at them ground. Funny ground. Me watch it for what?
You hear what the lady say? The president,
Who the chef, yeah?
She said.
Who the DJ chef?
Yeah, well, she called it the opposition. And she said, no, did it. And you know what she said? Mr. Ball, she said, everybody take out your phone. You know what she said? Remember, she said it before Daryl Vaz started talking. She said, Daryl Vaz, she said, everybody take out your phone. I come like she know, say, Daryl Vaz have to come take a shit down from Mark Golding.
But everybody have Mark Golding like a little laugh after.
DJ chef. Why make you have so much noise in the background?
And you know, plan me, I tell you know, yesterday make me feel good, brother. You know, hear when the Chinese man attack, when the man say him fly over Jamaica, and you hear what the man say what I'm to him.
Yeah.
The man say him have goosebumps, brother. If a Chinese man can say that, brother, why black people here tear down Jamaica, brother, one Chinese
and then Sonny the part where him say, when him say, go China, go Jamaica.
Come on. If the man can't say that, brother, as a Chinese man and the black people, them will say, for them country. Tear down them country and you have green eye freak. And the rest of about in name insult. All of them dread have to go in. The Chinese people have to make a one
don't touch me there.
That's why I tell her I follow Andrew alone and never Andrew touch her there. She forgot bad, she forgot cuss who touch her there. And leave Andrew alone.
Yeah, so then me say me go up a Cornwall regional yesterday evening before I got work. Bro, up the night, you don't want to see up there, brother.
And you're an idiot, man. You have to go when you go there, you have to come on the live and show we place.
Brother, up there.
No can't tell we nothing. No can't tell we nothing now.
May I go back up there? May I go back up there today, man?
Keep it to yourself, Guinness.
May I go back up there today, man? May I go back up
You're one Guinness. You're one Guinness, no, man.
So yeah, go back up there today, man. So you don't have to worry. Me I can video it.
Yes, your Rusty video play juice factory lockdown and show away. That's how we want it.
Why?
Come on, the East Indian there ready?
Election no call it.
I can't get them yet. If I get them, them I go override.
Election no call it. My ex.
My can't go some. My can't go get Sunday for me.
Hey Tamara.
Yeah.
You have incident in your yard? Me a fight out plank at this time. You have incident in your yard?
No, I mean, I don't have the tree, but I can get them. I can get this in there.
Question now. You have wood?
If me have wood? No, me single, sir.
So how you go fight me out and a hood me have?
Oh, true. I'm not go that road as labor right, me understand. Come could have fight you out if we go that road, but we not do them something there.
Jump past Sonny then can't fight me out. You can't fight me out.
Boy, I mean, I fight you out in a car. I realize, say, if me want come in a bus, me have to pass through your hand, so me I work with you. The last time me try to fight against your peer problem, so me I join your brother.
Oh, you can't fight nobody. You have to just join, bro.
Me join your brother. Me join.
Listen, man. Just be yourself, man. Just be yourself. Just not try to be man like Funkuta outlaw.
They say if you can't beat them, you have to join them, sir. Me I join you.
Why them not come join with them? Because they know they can't beat you, so why not join with?
Why? You see them the people they know. You don't really too want them join still, you know. Why? We get where you come from, but we have mixed feelings about some of them people there, you know. Because
good afternoon, my people. Good afternoon.
Yeah, man.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
Big up on a nice show herself. Lottie J here.
Hi.
Oh, Lottie J, you know why me bring you up?
Yeah.
Lottie J, you have to change that picture there, you know.
We do the red.
That's why me bring you up.
I want to kill her, listen up. Let me tell you.
Lottie, where you come from?
No, Sonny, talk to them. The color you not say nothing at all.
Oh, no, we done this.
That's why me carry you up. I me think you go come cuss with.
Cuss? Ah, Jesus, I'm not cuss to no. That's
Why your people cuss PMP?
Hey, Sonny, when I for the depot on my live last night when the lady from St. Thomas came and talk. I don't know, we should know over here the depot on the live last night when the lady from St. Thomas come talk. When the lady from St. Thomas come talk and open up her mouth, the whole life quiet. One PNP man in a comment and say, me don't know what to say. Because the lady speak big from St. Thomas.
Yo.
Jumper.
I hear your boss. I hear you.
Jumper.
All the days of my life I spent in St. Thomas. The only time I left St. Thomas is when I went to Canada. Or I would go to Kingston or any other parish. St. Thomas was one of the worst parish ever.
No, man.
And just the little lights when my Prime Minister shine, pan we, make we look like we are go somewhere and we not turn back because we need it to continue.
St. Thomas, date I when?
Never show you this story.
Sorry, last month I come St. Thomas side because I have somebody there at Bath. They are buried this Sunday.
Which part of Bath?
What you say, Lion Park, something like that.
Lion. Where the person are buried?
She are buried must be Friendship Cemetery, something like this. I don't sure about.
Yeah, because I know about that. I know about one dead around the for real.
Yeah, Paula. She be knowing. She be knowing. She been knowing, but to me, it's a PNP funeral because I touch a red, touch a orange.
Yeah, me know, yeah, I want PNP.
Me I wear touch a green.
That is it.
I wear no red, I now wear no orange, me I wear my white. Or I go wear burgundy, because I now wear no red, I now wear no orange. Anyways, one time me and about 4 carry with the we come from town, I go there. So one time we go there, now we know we reach right at Albion this, so right at one stoplight, Tamara.
Yeah, me know exactly where you're talking.
Cross on the right hand side, look like it's a jerk center, one big green and yellow building over there says bar. Them say always police and them kind of people there over there.
Yeah, man, I be a top people go there to go drink.
Me I go give you a drama now, so you know, so when me look cross now, me see beer orange. So me now just say, yeah, over there me are going now because me want something for drink. So when time me reach over there now, as me step up on the people, them step me ball out, show a labor rights.
That's right.
You see what I mean ball out, show a labor rights? Me hear one man say, so you's a labor right girl, me say like your mama.
That part.
Because you know me about like you's a labor right girl, so me say like your mama. Anyway, now one next big man, 2 more big man, them bit inside. The man them say, step in right, so of course my love on the same way. So I say, of course, I'm ask her, I say, how much for what Heineken? The girl tell me, but me are looking for the people them face now, you know, some of them look away. So me know, I say, me no business, you know, so me know just start talk out. So look here, me I tell you as it is, you know, me's a labor right, I'm not hide it.
Exactly.
So PNP that a full no business, me's a labor right, I'm not hide it. I'm proud for saying me's a labor right, you know? What your prime minister do for me? I say fix up your road and fix up your house so you can walk good and drive good. What you say? I say look here, you know, see what you do. I say you're blind. You're half blind. And as a matter of fact, what your prime minister do? I say what your prime minister do now for Uno? What am I do for? But tell me what you do for the PNP party. But then drink from and don't have the positive thing to talk about. But then you know I'm harder. The man say, look here, you see because you talk because it's a labor right and you're not hide it. Me I tell you something. Me no want you buy no Heineken. Me I buy you 6 Heineken. Me say you not for buy me 6 Heineken. A 4 can load away. You can do something. You can do something for me. Make you know where I go on, no? The man them so no come. I will go over there. Them him no say you not give me a vote. Me say that could have never happen. Me say look here. My barn green. My barn green, so no day at all a PNP couldn't get my eggs. So I'm not sell my eggs no day, no time. I even tell him, I say, look, I'm living in one of the worst constituency and a full constituency with full people. And I'm still a shit in a bag and still a bed in a bucket.
So come down. Yeah, go come down.
I deal with them out there. I say I deal with them. The man them laugh till them weak. The man them laugh. Them say, so you stay? I say, yeah. Me I tell you the truth. I say no play with my man. At the end of the day, remember them are trying, but it now work out. No time at all.
Plank, you know, I understand. I'm going to make Lati talk. Lati come from almost in a same place. In a that man. In a mad goal.
Almost a film constituency, but don't come.
The same place Lexi come from, man.
In a mad goal in place she come from.
Lexi.
Yeah.
I know the name there, no? Yeah.
Yeah, man.
This man Philippian.
Yeah. I know Lexi. Me and Lexi they're on the same team. Yeah.
Philippian, who are going, you know, long now we don't make a link.
Hi, Philippian, guess who came by when you went to bed, love? I don't might not be nothing to you, but a big deal for me. That big moment.
Listen what I'm to PNP. PNP used to for handouts, them not used to for the country I build, them used to for themselves I build individually. And you don't like that. My prime minister is for the country and then for the people. They are for the people and not for the country.
True that them say what mean, you know. Remember so true that them say labor right now look out for poor people, them look out for rich people. They overlook out for poor people. Who are you for rich? So why we going to want to for stay poor? We want to for have. We can't go every day we get up, we are going to fish. We want to teach you how to fish, man. When we teach you how to fish it better than we just keep in the know.
Hold on, come down and come up. Yeah,
No, me I go come down and make Philippian come up.
Yeah,
no, that's what I'm saying, Philippian. If you're gonna build the country, then you're gonna build the people. You can't build the people because the people now must build the country. People get them stuff, them gone. Them not care about the country.
I'm in Kingston today. Good morning. What's up?
This sound like you just wake up.
No, I'm gonna just wake up, but I want to sleep. I'm in Kingston today.
I'm in Kingston too, you know, which part you tell me which part I'm come pick you up.
Hey, Plank, you see it? Plank, why you like
We
easy for
only
me?
deal with Leo, and we only deal with Leo last night. I know Vegas was there, so
You're not
how
at
did
the
that work
ask.
out? Sonny, come back, Sonny.
Vegas and one other person put him in
You're
a
not go smooth,
barren.
Sonny. You're not tea time.
Yeah, if him stay away too long, it will cut off.
I'm there. Alright, hold on.
Make Genius answer. Him did that. Make him tell you how them deal with him.
There.
Leo.
Leo answer. Leo answer one question. Kimmy ask him say, like how me depend.
Guinness was there.
Yeah, Guinness was there.
Oh, okay. Mute.
So Kimmy ask him say, Kimmy say like how me not decide who me have vote for yet. Tell me why you have vote for PNP. The man talk say him Andrew do work, you know. Andrew, like him say him have vote for PNP because when PNP in a power, PNP do what them a do. Do what they say them a do. But Andrew a do little work.
Andrew a do more.
Say well life.
No, you say Andrew a do more, Philippines.
Andrew a do more.
Andrew a do more.
That's a problem.
So you will life mash up. So actually give me the
Guinness, sorry, in this day and era and this time, people still undecided who to vote for.
No, I was playing the role of an undecided voter and not undecided. Okay. Yeah, man.
Not you. I was
Thank you,
saying general. People, me not think nobody really undecided what to vote for. Because right now in my place,
Me hate that style, I say. Me hate that style. In them time that people are going to talk about them no know, them undecisive.
Exactly. In a time like this morning, so much people come to me, come tell me, say, look here now. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to read? What am I supposed to tell? And I tell them what to do. So look here, this is what you know. I'm going to explain how all the polling station work to them. I explain everything. I explain everything to them. And they say, hey, I never know that. I say, well, you know now.
But that is the reason. That's why I'm saying, even though I know what Plank is saying, in a them time people are playing the role of undecided, I understand. But we still have to understand, say, we still have enough people out there who don't know facts. Right? And then remember now, we are bad for Andrew now, because we want Andrew win.
To me, Kimmy, you know, say to me, and I know them, no facts. Them
no man, them don't. Some people don't know.
Them know, I know.
But them don't. Philippian said something on the live last night, and somebody typed in the comment, really, I never know that the government is doing venture program.
But Kimmy, I think you should run the program like that continuously. Just run it like that, where you say, okay, who should I vote for?
Yeah.
I have up the same background and all of that. I like
the concept. Up there, see my new post. You can like and comment.
First, I come online from morning as I tell you.
We show up the idiot them, Kimmy.
We show them last night, man.
Show up enough for idiot them.
Oh, so Kimmy, you have a platform sometimes.
No, last night was my first night. Because I went on Hello Neighbor Live and they're saying to me, but you have a voice, why you not use it on a platform too? Somebody just opened up my live last night. I'm going to make a banner. Who you voting for? Tell me why as an undecided voter. And the PNP them could not come on the labor right, rub them clean. Philippine about one, me have to say, all right, me don't give up. Lock up the dance. Lucky off.
You know, remember we're good at it. I remember what we are saying. We know we are talk facts. We now go around the bush. We now hold on certain things. We just give them as it is. Because they need
I do it the way I do it.
Yeah, them need to know the truth, and them some of them need to stop living in denial. Because when them come within, it make no sense. All if my granny was a PNP, in which way I am from a labor right background, mother, father, great grandmother, grandmother, everything. Everybody a labor right for me. But I have two little cousins where them come buy out and then know them run, go put them, switch them votes and put it to spot them more and put it, and when them put it there, they know this man, you know, when them come to me, you know, as something different. You get me? So may I say to them, say, look here now, in the first place, I shouldn't make nobody buy a note for this and that or whatever.
So Philippine tonight when it starts, it's gonna be I'm an undecided voter. Convince me who is better to run the country.
Alright.
That upon the poster my video I make.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yes, Kimmy, one voice. You have one voice, you know. Powerful voice you have, you know, Kimmy.
Thank you.
Yeah, so, you know, yeah.
For me, you're upon Squitty Live, me fall in love with you. Me say when me hear upon Squitty Live, I robot Swampy. Me fall in love with you. Me say, no, man. Me say, Kimmy, you wake me up. You wake me up, girl, because I'm sleeping up.
Hold on, I first want to hear Kimmy talk.
Me say, when me
Kimmy used to over politics and sports.
Yeah, man, I should come from live enough time, you know, enough time.
Kimmy always over politics.
When Kimmy come from my life, I say nothing, you know. When Kimmy come from my life, I just make Kimmy go and do her thing.
Kimmy, when Kimmy come over politics and sports and attack when data and camera do him on the hospital, put him down on the cold bed and all sort of girl.
Oh, me remember.
Me say plank, when me asleep, you know. Fast asleep. Me ever drop asleep when I'm in the pants Squitty. But me a listen, me a hear, and me not hear. Me say when me hear creamy man, me have to walk me here. Me say no man, me have to put a platform with tree. Like give me angle and triangle Swampy.
The other day when we were on
You have to just tell them as it is.
Philippine, what's up? What's up, girl? Long time. Bless up on yourself, labor rights.
We have to do labor rights. We have to do what we have to do. We have to talk with things, them. Them go sit down. One Swampy.
One Swampy and never two.
Never two.
Swampy. Peace up, man.
But ask them, say, oh, no, do it, I have the most mouth and on the arm.
Tell Lati.
From down them wrist go straight up to them shoulder a PMP.
Yeah, but say when they look on the PMP, them they look like somebody has suffered. Like you know, some people down in Africa when they get nothing. That's how they look.
True man. If you ever see one liver, it looks something wrong.
That's how they look for you.
The man need to take care of himself first of all, and his wife need to help him make him take care of himself, and she to stop with the curtain of them.
Come down. You need to come down. Lati, you need to come down.
Remember that she African Jamaican, so she go wear them.
Lati, you need to come down. Come down right now. No.
But Philippine, on a serious note, hold on, let us get serious for a bit. What do you think about this now? One personal attack on the Prime Minister and his wife. What do you think about it?
How we get the money gun there? Come on, say, me can't get one of the money gun there.
Because now they can't find anything else, so they're attacking his family.
Remember saying, I'm not going to them as some low set of people, you know, so them go as low as they find. You see me?
But Kimmy.
I laugh for me. After we beg you.
Come on, if you send me one too.
Yeah, more one of the money gun there, man.
Yeah, I want to hear the opinion on it, because I see the fish boy talk about it, you know, and I really and truly want to know where we stand, what to think about it. Because I see the one fish pan the upper talk about it.
What, Kimmy?
The personal attack on the Prime Minister's life, no. About him divorce and him this and him that, and the night at the gospel concert, Andrew catch Juliet in a bed with Nigel. Yeah.
So
Nigel really firing.
Hey, you can't go low with them, you know. You have to just low. Certain things, then can't get the crowd and then can't
talk. Then you see me.
Remember,
Say what they sitting there, believe me. Only say about they sitting over there, second. When they say they sitting there, nothing touch me as much as sitting there.
We as labor rights. You see, we as labor rights. You see anything what them say about. You see anything what them say about the prime minister and the wife. I was gonna say it go. We're not entertaining the
Yeah, man. When me see it the first time, Latia, that me say, I wanna saw it go. I saw it go.
fully focused.
Remember, I said they did a call in him for my girl.
I'm fully focused on Jamaica. So in the
But I'm gonna repeat what PMP said here.
we can't entertain anything with them.
I learned first somebody. In a local, remember, so in a local election, they did not say something about him and my girl. They are man. Remember that one?
My God.
Yeah.
Wait. Amanda fail. So at the end of the day, anything what them want to say, about him, them say it. Anything what them want to say about him, we don't have to prove nothing to them. What we have to prove to them is the man what we put in power to take care of
brother,
Jamaica.
I know say the fish boy bring up a whole of them shit there, brother. How come people are
remember, I see him when they do.
I say what this shit.
Remember, I see him when they do Lisa and a thing.
It's for emergencies only. If you had an emergency.
Sweetheart, the best thing. Westmoreland. Remember, say Babsy built through Kingston. Remember, say this happened right there. So what you talk say, because guess what? They're highlighting what we did, and I love when they do that. So that's why I'm so happy to be a. Made it have to be a labor, right?
Give me one thing, you know. Yes, when man have a good woman, then bloom like a flowers, you know. You understand? So you see,
I love it.
Yeah, so you see when you go in the thing where you say you're not educated and the thing that and there's something, you don't know what to know, you know what you're saying. Because you say right thing, bro. You see me? Because a lot of them man are ignorant, bad. And some of them just make decision where under ignorance. Some lot of them man do this something. You see me?
You know I have a daughter. I have two daughters and a son, but my big daughter, she go university. She has studied medicine. All right. I go and say this to you. She voted one time, not in the last election. I think that when the I think it's the 3rd of September election. Yes, she voted. She never voted in the councillor one after. And the other day I said to I asked her, I say, you're going for what? So when I asked her if I go vote, she said no. So I said to her, why you not going to vote? Not recently, but before no, I asked her. She said to me, Mommy, you know, I see Mr. Hunter always working, but I have to see more. And I said to her, I said, what do you mean more? And she explained herself. And the other day she come to me, she said to me, can I work in the election? So I said, you want to work in the election? She said, yes. I said, why you want to work in the election? She said, because what this man doing for Jamaica. I born 2001 and I never see it before. So I really need for work now for him. Next for vote again. One time, for work. Since you asked me for when she explained all of this to me, and when she young and she has so much understanding and she can come up for tell me where I do from where I do. Come on. The people that know you have to tell yourself, say, look here, no, me a 40, you know. So when time me say my daughter can explain to me and tell me all of this, you know, me have to listen to she. And if she have a voice and she can tell me, say, yeah, this is what she want to do, right there and then me I go back her. Same like come back her in her schooling. Me I go back her. Yep. So when time only young people know when I tell and only say, look here now, this we are gonna do and this is the reason why we are gonna do it and this is what we have to do as Philippine and Kimmy and say, come on, we have to know, so we have to back them and we have to understand say this is what it is. We can't go like we're stupid, and if we as the bigger person we have to see this before them see it, and we have to know this. So if them come up with them ideas and say this is what we are gonna do, we have to back them. We have to. And respect Joe Kimmy. Respect and big up yourself, girl.
I maybe she did it, she do her studies, and remember, you know, a lot of things you have to understand where they educate you.
For that. Respecting my father.
Let me tell you something, Lati. You see, I may have one son. I have one son. My son is 14 years old. I say it all the time. I want my son to grow up in a Jamaica where, God forbid, something happens to me. And, you know, the little money I'm probably put on aside for him finish university, run out. And he has to refer to the Student Loan Bureau. You understand? It's going to be hassle-free. Because my one child that the Lord has blessed me with, though I have to run down the 14 parishes of Jamaica to get a guarantor to sign in student loan, because my prime minister, because all I want to go talk to a phone but a female prime minister, my prime minister take that out of the claw. My prime minister said, why is it so hectic? Why it's so heavy? Why do I have to do so much something? Get rid of all of this. My prime minister get rid of all of that. And the reason why I'm so grateful for that, ladies and gentlemen, and the live, I had a cousin, I live at Kingston, my cousin live at Clarendon. She have to find another cousin who live at St. Catherine and another person, and a 5 guarantor she needed. Why? Because of the income that she was coming in with. You understand what I say? Now, my prime minister make it easier for my son go to university. God forbid something happened to me, I'm never left all of the money. You understand what I say? My prime minister also said, listen, what if my son went to university but he want to go learn a trade and him still not have the money? My prime minister make it a way for my son go out and get paid for good day. My prime minister do that. For me one, do that. Now my MP saw that East Rural St. Andrew needed help and she come and she rescued East Rural St. Andrew. My MP came and she said, what? Why the health center look so? Fix that. Now you're going to say you wonder which health center this, you never know it could have looked so. My MP said, listen, this health center have to keep going till it's late and it's open till it's late. That's what my MP did. My MP fixed roads. My MP give communities that have never had water underneath the PNP, water running through their pipe. My MP said that every labor right in a fair constituency should be okay. While it is I don't live in there, I will always vote. And my mother pointed out to me that she can go to church in a peace. Why? Because my MP put street light on the road, something that we were begging for before Andrew was elected prime minister. My MP make street light on the road, and them things that we have to talk about. My prime minister not only come and said, listen, I know the struggles. Me know ya. Me born ya. Me not say I man born ya because I know ya. And because of that, my MP said, listen man, you have people live in rural areas where can't go to school. Send on some bus. Come on guys. What are we saying? What are we doing? Are we literally sitting down and thinking that these people are for Jamaica? They are not. They will never be for Jamaica. Mike Golding don't like Jamaica, and people not see that. The first thing them to take out of the equation, in one put enough to live in a quicksand. The Bible said the wise man build his house upon a rock and the foolish man build his house upon a sand. Why the backside they go build my house in a sand? Make we talk about these things.
Middleton district. That's up your side, Kimmy. Middleton district. And when I went there, I see tractor, I see excavator, I see all kind of things because they might fix the place. Juliet I fix up there. And me I said to myself, you see, this is a MP that cares. Because at the end of the day, she knows that look here, my people them need road for move up and down. And she actually up there fixing. And up there, the road for go up there so smooth and nice for go up in the hills.
But let him want tell us, even though my mother gets street lights, you want to know, say, Miss Holness send tractor go my community, which is Constitution Hill. And the PNP, them up there send back a tractor and say, they don't want the road fixed because none of them want to fix it, a PNP to fix it. Tell me how stupid you can be.
What?
Yeah, yes. But remember them do the same thing. They don't want to give people. Them don't want to send the people them go out when they're in constituency. And then now I fix the road them because they might get money to fix the road them.
Them said that one of the time them block the road, Lati. Block the road.
Them a do it. And then tell the people them say, the government now give them no money. And that them a tell the people them, you know, say government, chew enough for them party in a power, government now give them the money. Them a take the money. Them a take the money and I run the election and that them a do.
Where them want the money for do? They're not supposed to get the money. We'll keep man, go and work for it. Constitution in.
Yeah?
Constitution
Give
in.
me.
Right?
May I tell
Yeah.
Linda's gap side, right, Kimmy?
Yeah, man. Up there, so.
That's the you, Kim. You did absolutely.
Linda's gap, Constitution Hill to your left, Dallas to your right.
Yeah. Up there, Diati PNP, Constitution Hill. Where you send out, Sonny?
I say, yo, no matter, you know, I feel like I'm glad you want real soldier and I want them to suffer to the who. Enough time them come tell you all type of shit, man. It's suffer that in life. So listen, get it born for this, yeah. Yeah, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, man, you're born for this, man. And Lati, just take up the thing, man. Anyway, you see, more you follow Kim, and more you go over Kim, and the two you can back up Kim when you did it, because you want a real soldier, isn't it? This is for you, my brother. We can't sit down and make this come out of our hand. And we can't come on the media and do this, and then we say, if you know.
Where's Lati? My live, guys, it starts 5:30 every day. Today, but the role I play on my live, which my moderator, Philippa Yan, is one of them, said it's a good role. I play an undecided voter role. So all are welcome in the box. We want to hear the plans. Because Lati, last night, Philippian Rob won. And when then don't talk to him, he say, nah, go say. Every time I remember me laugh. He say, Mark I work, but Andrew do more. I nearly popped. Me said the whole life tear down.
Yeah, man, he mashed up the live last night.
He mashed up the live last night. Where everybody say lock it off. Worries in the dance. Me say people. He must run. Him run off for the live. Run. Hi Neville. Good morning. Good afternoon. How are you? Welcome to the live.
Yeah, Fanny said Andrew work more, man. The live done.
Him always up on the live, them and embarrass himself. I don't know why I'm doing it. I feel like saying, I know things you see.
For real, you let her get embarrassed. Backside, Iman say, he said, not go, but Andrew do more.
But Philippian, most of PNP them know that say work a go on, you know. But they only follow Mark Golding and say nothing go on. Everything where Mark Golding say they
should have shame. Shame for say Andrew work, Mark work, but Andrew do more.
But Mark tell them to nothing go on. Them Mark create one illusion in their brains and nothing go on, you know. So they come and say, yo, nothing go on. And then that when they see how much shit there. So you notice that they thought to know, they start say Andrew could be a ribbon.
And now it become a meme for the ribbon. No, so I'm tired of this.
Yeah, so I'll be a ribbon Andrew could. Yeah. That's why they realize, me tell you this, sir. You think they don't see Moses? They see Moses. Anytime you see them a ball out, so.
Continue plan for sure, say, yeah, work I do.
Yeah, when
everybody shows a work I do, it shows it's an investment. Remember some people don't really know much, you know, they really have sense, them now use them moral, you know, them crazy, you know.
Yeah, they know it's a work I go on, you know. But they don't admit the fact. You see, if you didn't admit it.
That's why I'm a big up Philippians for give me the idea to tell myself to keep the role of an undecided voter and see what happens.
But tell you this. You see, longer Andrew take for call election. And more they expose. You know, they say higher the monkey climb, I more you see backside as that happened to Mark Golding right now. Because they wouldn't mind Andrew call election right now. Because remember, you know, the first thing they come with are the IC, you know, they did try use the IC to make Andrew call election. You know. So, when the lady say, we don't remember her name, when they say you know, see the office charge Andrew for. They never like that. The IC never like that. Government they don't like that. So that's why they get rid of human out of IC. You see me? We have one big buffoon right now when they're on him social media named Ingram. Every day I tell Bill spread me a propaganda about Andreas chuck out last. What do you mean for Neil live, you know, me I say teams. And me want me go up in the box to answer one boy named Onion. And then the top show me out of the box. And I say, oh, this is a big party boy and the top tell like the man about, I tell the people about how Andrew. That time one brother, one artist in the funny life too, you know. One artist did it where a long time in here. I don't know what the artist name. I tell the artist, Andrew has struck out la because yo, and I try use Dr. Im Chang. Must say me I say Dr. Chang. Must see Im Chang why make Chang then put Chang in the FID. If he chuck out him, Andrew make Andrew chuck out laws and one bag in the park on the live chat. And all me I go up in the box. Them a throw me out. And me I wonder say, oh, they not putting. But me I wonder, say look like when them a throw me out, them a report me page same time too. You see me? Look at them a lead me. And Ingram did it, him and O'Keefe did it, tell be a lie. I say, yo, think me in a man, poor me a man did that be a foolishness. You see me? So that are the plan. That was them plan. If you just use the IC for Andrew call the early call one snap election. And it work out. So everything now it ends up exposed one by one. So the longer Andrew takes the call election, it don't look good for them. So that's why you're gonna say Andrew call election, but it not happen. We have to expose them some more, you know? Yeah, man. You have to expose them some more, man.
Me and my neighbor working for labor. Why? It's sticky on their side.
I was super than gone.
It's sticky on them side, Sonny. It's sticky on them side. And Sonny, I have to big you up. I have to big you up to Sonny for what I see you do. I see you go around and you showcase the place them where I fix. I have to big you up for that one day. Because when I labor right, we stay home, Sonny. I stay home, I social media labor right. I not go out. So I have to big you up for that. Because here we go on. At the end of the day, if you will never do it, right? If you will never do it, we wouldn't know. So I have to big you up for that one day to go out and show we say, yo, you never said the road you fixed. Big up yourself for what you are doing, I'm done. And that's why I have to appreciate it, you know, I have to appreciate it live when I see the one that will come over and talk and when they will go out and showcase the road and everything. And big up on yourself for that one day, you know.
Yeah, respect, you have to do it, man, because them are nothing not going. You see me, so you have to put it in the people where them
what me I tell all labor rights to do is when I pass one ear will look good, take a picture, make a sound, put it on the internet and make we see. Because here we go on, the more we post and show the development of the country, the better it is for Prime Minister. The more we go on with the self and social media, the better it is. Because you have to remember, say, when Marky G curse the bad word, when Marky G cuss about it, go on. Nobody, no PNP live, no keep. None. But what social media like I've never seen none. You have the PNP jump up in a labor right box. I never see Kashanti a Google community until what they are. You understand? Because now they don't know what to come with. So big up the labor right them where I go around town and I take a picture of them. And big up to the labor that sit down on their computer because me work from home. So me want me I read. Big up on yourself. I have to give it to the labor right them where I come out them time this election. You see this election, make them stay there, man. It's a clean sweep. What is over you?
Yeah, man. Kimmy, you know, hearing you say that, if I told you TikTok would have exposed PNP flaw. And I tell you something, if TikTok was around from the 70s, PNP wouldn't have been in power. I can tell you, I'll be honest with you.
They would have one seat. They would have one seat.
if TikTok was in power from those days, I'm telling you, because listen to this. We just listened to something a while ago. One named Jess. You realize what PNP is planning to do to broke Jamaica after 1 year in power? Because the amount I give them, I'll give away, you know. After 1 year, no money not left in Jamaica. You don't understand what I'm going. Remember, say that Manly did do already, you know.
One content creator will get $1 billion in the first year, so what go on?
You know, hear me and say to you, so remember, say that Manly did do, you know, and broke Jamaica, you know. Coming up power 72, you know, by 73, Jamaica broke, you know. Just remember that, you know.
Hey, me tell you, say that man.
Understand?
Me tell you, say, me talk darling. Me talk darling. Mark Gold in a batty man.
Mark
Gold in the love woman. That's why I take you $1 billion and give my blood clot boy, batty boy. I cuss him bad word too. Batty boy that man. Mark Gold in fuck man. Straight.
Yeah, but what even with so, he would have done things, and I keep repeating this. He would have done things that disqualify him from running in parliament, you know. Having demonstrated against poor people in 2001, him and his mother should have definitely disqualified him from running for any office in government. Because in any other country, this pop up on the news, he must take himself right away. I'm telling you, what he has done demonstrated against the poor, and this is the same poor he's looking to lead, saying the property was going to lose price because poor people can live side of them. And you want to look for put this man in power? What would Jamaica be looking for? What would Jamaica be looking for really? Because we can't go on and come on, you know. That was a major sin, you know. That is a sin that cannot come back from, you know. Having demonstrated against the poor people of Jamaica, you know. So I don't hear much people talk about it, but it's a big deal. Mark Bolin should never even be head of the PNP, no opposition leader. He shouldn't be in the House of Parliament at no point after what he did. But what is the thing? We see they have two-time judge convict. We see they have all kind of people supporting in their No man, no alleged. He was convicted, two-time judge convict. What do you mean alleged? He was convicted and spent time in prison. What do you mean alleged? It's not alleged. He was convicted.
But
Two time. They wanna Portland. He was convicted twice.
Yeah,
I don't know. Question
that. Alex is that man. So I want it then full up in that PNP party.
You understand what I say? So when we see them come attack them foolishness, listen, that sole action by Mark Golding, disqualifying from being in parliament. That sole action alone, disqualify him from being in the House of Parliament, any at all, having demonstrated against the poor. And Jamaica must take stock of it. And guess what he was demonstrating? Said them host value of good. That means it's about money for them. So all them coming to this to rob and plunder our NIR and our pocket. Like when they used to tax and we don't see money, I do nothing.
That
is what they're gonna do.
And put the poor people in the fun.
You understand me? That is what they're gonna do. They're gonna come and plunder us because it's all about money for them. When you hear a man who would have milked Jamaica for years, Omar Azan, who would have benefited because I'm alone, have certain business in Jamaica, now come and say not going to Jamaica because he pay share up all about. Just to show you how they corrupt and just want riches for themselves. Riches alone must go to them. Well, it is over for that, PNP. Mark Golding and your friend them, it is over for that. Jamaica for all Jamaican, not a few. The days over when nothing say on alone can't have money in Jamaica. Them the days they over and done with. The pie share up all over Jamaica by Andrew Holness. Everybody must get a piece of the pie. Not on alone and on a friend them, on a tap on his friend. Them the days they done.
And the one
days they done and gone.
Yeah, but you man talk yesterday. The man say, yo, you can't cater for one set of people. Not when the PNP in the power, one set of people then cater for.
We all know that, but we know that.
He man say it yesterday. When he ma doing speech, I bust him hand over. He bust. The man say, yo, you have to know how to verse. Because yo, even if you are gonna deal with one somebody, you have to make sure say yo, at least everybody else all right. That's
All right,
it.
look on this. Look on this, Guinness. Them come up with a borrowing scholarship. And the government I pilot fees, Zane. And I can tell you out of the 600 medical person.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm hearing him. Yeah, me I tell him, because if you say I 7 vote and I hear PD, one of the losing PD, we have to help you to win your PD. So winning your PD, it have a giveaway. You have a big other for one of the winning PD. So for that, we can win the constituency. Yeah.
Yeah, because lose by 7.
Sonny. Now there's a plan come from to man.
A plan for you?
Yes.
So plan, we get together, man, and push up, man, and win the thing, man.
Yeah, and guys, also one of the things I also advocate is for, for the workers to get the support as well. So if we can support them, we support them as much as we can because they're really putting out the work. Sure, go ahead, Mr. Richard.
Yeah, you see the 2016 election, Mr. Amos used by 800 votes. You see 2020, we used by 22 votes. That, to me, that's a good coming. Because when Santa Nisbet was there, I'll be a 4,500, 4,000, 3,000 had. So for Mr. Amos come and carry it down so far. For me, we have a win.
That for sure say Mr. Amos is working. And the people them just need to come out. As a Sonny D said, we need to help you forget all those, because 7 is a small margin to lose by. So we just have to work on them. We just have to
when you tell me 2 weeks ago, I feel I can't believe it's a 7 vote me lose my PD by.
You say what on them, Mr.
I'm working the young people them around on my lane. They fed up a PMP. They fed up a team.
You say what's the problem with me now? What you say? If I were from your community, right? As a person, definitely people like you, I reach out to, and no matter how small it is, if even at 10-20 pounds a week, me have to try. You understand me? So somehow we just step on here and with our foreign and we know we name brand and we are kind of for prayer.
And that's what I mean when I say support, guys.
And not reach out, because as I say, I'm not rich. But when I hear things like these happen, I know him dip on the road and him do him thing them. No matter what it is, me have to squeeze.
Even 130 pounds, You
understand?
Yeah, when we see them people here do the work, them people are patriots to me.
That's when Mr. Amos reach, and Mr. Amos win. We can't go buy me name brand thing them and pose and show off and feel good. But right now, we need to spend the money on buy nothing.
Why you think I start my life? You see any earnings I get from my life, I send it in my PayPal and my local account. And you know what I start going at I not live in a Holness, but I start telling my mother, I say, Mommy, I want you to look around for one PNP. You know, one child in the area where, the space are right. And but the family they are dieting. More I go buy a shoe, they go say on behalf of Miss Juliet Holness. I go buy one.
Me want our workers to get the support. Me feel like say, you see outlaw, I say, we can't do this. And that me advocate for, because guess what, let me tell you, you see the workers, you are working on a voluntary basis. You're doing this for your country. Right? It's not a 9-to-5 job. It's not a 9-to-5 job. $20,000 because you're a patriot, you work.
This is our ministry to
me. And the workers, most time.
Can I say something to you?
Myron,
I want to know believe making up a story or trying to make you feel like say, me I take my own money when I get and do things. You know, so last week, Mr. Amos pay me because we have put up flag all these things, see him, we get on the road every day. So I say, I give you a small every time, give me 20,000 now. You see when I come home, you see the Friday, the Saturday, I buy my grandmother in gas. I go up the hill, one lady did a beg me. She want Mr. Amos to buy her some grocery and sitting. And she told me never get the chance to tell him, to ask him, I can have $5,000 out of my money. Go tell him, Mr. Amos said to give it to her.
That is good. That is good. We love that. You're a very
And
good
Mr. Amos
man.
don't tell me to do that because I want the vote. I want to win. Me tired of they now and losing constituency. I was at Spanish Town. I changed my vote come up here. The move come up here, come right back. So you know, say me there Spanish Town, me did that one winning seat. Because Bob's Green me used to vote for. Now, I want to go back now and winning seat. So me, we do anything. Just to
You're a
make
good
Mr.
man.
Amos win.
You're a good citizen.
Why them pay? Why them get money from him and the vehicle where we have run out of gas and me call him and he say, Myron, you know me now get to come up early. He say, sir, no worry yourself. And me buy gas, me buy 5,000 gas, put in the vehicle and tell them, come me could do road. Because sir say now reach at the 2 o'clock and when I sit down till 2 o'clock, when he come, to go start to go out and put up one star. Come, me ready.
Well,
You see,
what, well, that's why them Philippine. That's why I said to us as diaspora now. I know enough of we are here at diaspora, right? For this month here, my hand tired because my son getting married and it's on my shoulder right now. You understand?
Me know you'd have sent it if I could have sent it this month.
Hopefully by next month and everything and this done out, right? I can able to rise and all those young, bright little one will come and know how it feel for out there and them a go out and them don't know whether they not even can buy a bottle of water because I remember
but look here,
I
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If even if $1,000 each we put, it still can go towards one person.
Exactly.
In a business, little make a muckle.
Yes,
in a business.
You see what they are Philippine
and I help you want help me in a business. Me tell them, I say this what they say are foreign are the people them support them party, the little grassroots them and them donate to them party.
But
and we
can
support the party
on one line, and I said to them,
can
say,
support
listen,
the party workers.
Yeah.
But because you know I always say this to me. What just Sunday I come. I'll be a far out meeting, you know, and I talk ask me at least on several times. You see me? So now when the people and so come on the live and say, yo, send in some little bit, the people don't really go now. I don't really cash no more. Because when you check it out, it's not really go now. So when I love the support, because I have to move up and down, brother. Instead of move up and down each time when you go, it costs, brother. It costs. People, and I like the PMP them, because some of them I get almost $1,000 for vlogging. Remember, we do this for the love of our country.
Even
the people them who did it, them for the support we when we come live. That's when we touch the road. Because when we touch the road, that people come to me and vlog and brother. We can't tell the labor right there now.
But Sonny, even we as the labor right way, what I call it?
Can't tell them no. I have to, yo, that's why my guy when me try to put a piece of food in my pocket. So me touch the road, the people them come to me. Why go on? It's like I buy more water. I can't tell them no. Buy more juice.
But Sonny, even
sometimes they need just to hydrate while them they on the road. You know, they need gas money and them little something there.
Philippine, what me I said the other day, even we the vloggers were there woman now, because me work from home, I don't really come out. Remember saying no Philippine, enough time the vloggers I look on the internet bill and I say she want to pay for go life to spread the good news. But she not have it or him not have it. We can help out each other. That is what the life is about. So when time you come on the life as a labor right and you see the labor right and she says she have some life goal or him have some life goal, help meet the life goal them. Me always try to have coins. Me not have no coins now, but me try my very best Philippines to have coins. You know why? Because when I see Sonny can never send my company. Like today I see the only day I not bless Sonny with a gift. I'm sending my art me because I don't have no big coins. But I always give Sonny a gift because I'm going to cash it out because I can use my PayPal pay the internet bill and I do some look on it and I'm going to open up the live again and I'm going to say, yes, labor rights. You never see said this happened last night. That's how we're supposed to do it as labor rights. We will come together. Here one labor rights say she in a destitute. Call upon the MP get a labor right woman. They said, this is one fair. One who can do. The man there said, the picnic there.
But Kimmy,
Man.
You see, sometimes in some labor right constituency, you can't call upon the MP. You can't call upon not even MP, no caretaker. It don't make no sense because them not look. Them not.
What you talk about? What you talk about? Come no really bash no body. Nah, bash no body.
If we as labor rights can help one another, that would have been great. You can't call upon some MP not at all for help.
No, but we know. Look here, let me make something clear here. You see, when you're all right, you're a part of an organization. You choose to be a part of this organization. So you may be, it's a political organization or a church. You're there. Your work there is based on a voluntary basis. You're volunteering. You're not entitled to anything really. You're offering your service. And when you get something, it's because they appreciate you. So people really, me don't want it come across like, me don't want it sound bad, but yeah, when you're a part of political organization and like the church, the church, you have church people who work at the church, they kind of volunteer, and the church can help you. The church may do outreach project and all of that. The church need funding, just like the political organization need funding, and then the political organization will help you. But your work there is on a voluntary basis.
Yes.
That is why when you're working for like a political party, you should still have a 9 to 5. But I am saying,
as in Myron,
us here, we understand that we too can help because we appreciate you.
That is what I am saying.
Yeah.
Yep.
That is what I am saying.
I would love. That's why last night I didn't meet my life goal, all of them, but Philippines, I take that money and start to, I have one life and one dieted family, PNP, and the little child, Philippine, I know for sure, said them are going to go back to school. When I give it up, I'm going to say, on behalf of Mrs. Holness, you feel me? Because, I'm not look no club, I don't want a club, I want to win. And the other for win, we have to work together. But in a serious note, some of we can't really give what we can. So that's why I open my life, tap the screen, spread the life, send the gift, do what you can do to help spread the word. Because it's working. The lives are working. Me can't lift me out. Me not lift me out go nowhere, because I work home. And my work is always, me just always there work. But I open my phone and while me I work, me I talk. Or while me I do something, I say, guys, did you hear the press conference with the Prime Minister when he said that young people can now get this underneath this and how to apply for it? We need to start doing these things. And I love when they write to help other people. And I say on behalf of the MP and them constituency, I love it. It's a good look.
Man, I love it.
I love it, Philippine. Like me said, when me go live later, I set my live goal and me literally ask people to come in and I see what I want that live you have to do for the person in the Philippines. I think I joke me I make. I love it. I love it bad. And if you want me PayPal me, drop it to I can send it to my PayPal me, withdraw it to my account. What do you mean? I love when we help each other.
I think we have up with PayPal too, because sometimes people are, it's when you send things on TikTok take off more than us,
better me say you send it to my
so
PayPal.
if you can put up a PayPal and you get whatever, yeah, put it up. But or keep it private. Tell them say you have a PayPal because people are there are so many scammers now,
Yeah,
put up
we could
like,
do we have to do.
Change your name.
Because guys, I tell you the truth, man. I see the movement. I see what at my Soji. I see Mr. Myra. I see Lucky. Ines, Genius. I see Outlaw, Sonny Dan. We see the future and the future look bright, brother.
Oh, you mean? What you say? I can see clearly now. Kimmy, I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Now look back with that.
Me not gonna tell nobody. Me never yet so passionate to talk from politics like how me attack you so in the Philippines. And me attack because I see the future, brother. Me attack right now and goosebump take me because I see what I want in Jamaica, Me not to start Eyes America anymore because money there yard underneath.
Understand?
What you mean?
Real.
Me not to think I have to go look for visa and do these things. Money they are here because Andrew around the country. Money they are here because we can get to do things. Who now work, who now want work.
Long time I come to Kingston and I come in this morning and I say, hold on, Soji.
On the on the line, hold on the guys. Tap up
a
the
long
screen.
time I come to Kingston
Hold
and I
on
come
the
this
Philippian.
morning.
We have up some live goal. The host has up some live goal. 50 and at him one. See what you can do, help him reach him live goal. If you want bless the panel, tap up the screen, get the live to 100k. Make we support each other. That we there for. And that we there for. So make we do it now. Do it now, man. Go on to Philippines.
Yeah, man. So a long time I come to Kingston and I come this morning and I see one new place I build up. I'm sure I see.
Philippines.
A new place I build up.
Philippines, you want to come at Wop Road? Let me tell you something. Take a drive and go up at Wop Road. Go back anywhere on Wop Road and see what happens. Let me tell you this. Buildings on top of buildings.
Yeah, a new place. And I know it's a place that build up for a long time, but me I try to remember I see one place I build up if I half right this when I come in from Mandela. I don't know if I did so.
This way, right at Duane Park, right down at 6 miles here.
At Duane Park?
Duane Park, yeah. If you come out from Mandela and I go in, where them have...
I wonder if I did some of these seats. I mean, what he said, Fesco, I want new Fesco, they write out this water house. Two, right? One new Fesco I build up. Well, them open now, the gas station, Fesco. Spanish Town Road. The soldier, one new Fesco did this so. And then I build up one next one big building behind it. I don't know if it is a part of Fesco.
Yeah, it's a part of Fesco. It's a
part of Fesco, okay.
Yeah.
But you see one next building. Yeah, go ahead.
You see Fesco, Philippine. Fesco are one of the only true Jamaican gas brands.
Me say I buy shares in there. So
yes,
me like when them a build up and I expand.
Yeah, it's 100% Jamaican. You know, so enough of the like Texaco and the whole most of them company there are Jamaican.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
Fesco is Jamaican 100%.
Yeah. Yeah, man, let's see it a build up, man. I said that's a good look. Right.
You see when you pass Devon House, that's all, and come up. A tree, high-rise building a thing up down there, so. Yes, when you pass them building there and come up and go up a little bit more, I want another building that a fling up there, so. You see when you reach, like, say you go, KFC, where they pan open right here, so, you look. Things that are going over there, so there's places. You see, and I build another call center on Oak Road. Well, not try to tell me, say, if there was not things happening in the country, why so much building not go up? Me no want Philippines. Me no want to take play. Me want to take it, but me not feel anxious to take it no more. You get me? Me not want to run left my country no more because here we underneath the JLP, underneath Andrew badness, we can see a better future, not just for ourselves where we live now, but for people.
Me love Jamaica. Anywhere I go, me love when me come home at my yard. Me love Jamaica. And me more optimistic about Jamaica now than ever before. And plus, me love Jamaica before. So...
And then one man last night when they're gone, Philippines come and talk about the members in the diaspora are balling. Them say, no, go on to Jamaica.
This one.
Guys,
you miss it.
Hold on, guys. Hold on, Kimmy. When we talk, I go realize something. My mother and father live in America. I live in Jamaica. You realize it's a choice?
Mine too. So.
It's a choice, not true? Because Jamaica going good, me not need to leave Jamaica. You understand what I say to you, sir? Jamaica is doing so well, I don't have to leave. You understand me? So no make nobody come and tell you all these things are we see the things that are happening here in Jamaica. We know of the benefits that we're getting from it. You understand me? And people must understand. I don't have to leave Jamaica to survive. Because I'm a man who anyhow me have to go get it, work-wise, I'll get it. I make sure me qualified 4 different ways of work. 4 different jobs me can do. Qualification, not just talk.
But me get one email this morning too. From one county in New York. Them want case managers. So and then the only qualification is for you to have your degree, have a driver's license and a reliable motor vehicle. And me did apply for that job a long time and them said just get the driver's license. I'm telling them I have an American driver's license. So me know say and them I said, but them say them I recruit caseworkers now. So me know say me have options. But me love my country. And me have a job when me pay me good.
Jamaica a place to be, man. You hear me I say to right now, I don't care what nobody wants it. When you want to see Jamaica be a place to be, watch the third term. When I never know say nothing could have go so. Watch the third term when I never know say I phone Jamaica this. You can tell you that all who wish bad upon us. All that many men who wish death upon us, they not go see it. Remember me tell you, them are go shock. And some people they are fine when they are come back next year. Last. Remember me tell you, last.
We can't afford to give back. We can't afford to give back.
No, we can't go back. Can't go back, Philippine. We can't go back to that. We can't go back to that ruthless administration. We can't go back to the administration we only want for them pocket. We can't go back to those people. We can't go back to the...
Good evening, good afternoon, everybody. So, Soji, as it relates to what you're saying, right? Me have one 10-year visa, me I tell you, I'm not even look on it. Like, I live in the community.
What you say?
Me say me have one 10-year
visa, she not go nowhere.
I mean, none at all. I live in a community where gone were the days. It is a labor right community, but gone were the days. Most persons turn to the sea. I mean, I tell you, say, every young people nowadays.
Then turn to what?
Every young people nowadays.
The sea, fishing.
CRI.
SEA.
See, fishing.
I live in a fishing village.
Fishing village,
okay.
I mean, I tell us that every young people nowadays, every young people, I look towards art. Art is giving away a lot of beneficial. First of all, the government employed persons who are beneath certain age or what I say now, age group or manufacturer can get benefits from the government. Now, women look for foreign go do. Women look for foreign go do. No. And that Jamaica Labour Party.
Go work 2 jobs and 3 jobs to pay a bill. When you can live Jamaica rent free.
You're crazy. One thing, no Andrew promise. Never go and vain. Everyone and promise.
No left pan ice. Don't left pan ice. Never Rochelle no left pan ice. No way boss promise not left pan ice. Sign on no pipeline.
Right now, me asleep.
No pipeline.
Live now, tap up the live.
Toji.
Tap up the live.
Yeah.
Toji, me asleep with no window and me door them up.
All right.
Me
Better
too.
believe it. Better believe it.
In the country, hello, me too in the country. Me not even use fan at night time. I live on the hill, nice and cool. Me I see Treasure Beach. Me I see Flaggerman. Me I see all of them something. Me I see the Great Pond. Me I see Wally Pass.
Philippine, how many place you come from, Philippine? Philippine, how many place you come from?
Sunny
How many place you come from?
Me stay now, but I came some of them right now today.
And but I sent you how many place, you know?
Sunny,
me work from now and
yeah, man, I sent you me come from, you know. The states.
Yeah.
Man, one place down there in Burn Savannah. That's where me forward from.
Me know Burn Savannah, me know everywhere in a sent this.
Yeah, man, I'm a place, man.
Me work all over
original
the
from this.
Me couldn't ask
you better. Gusto, listen.
Me couldn't ask you a better prime minister. A better
Nobody couldn't. Nobody couldn't ask you a better prime
a
minister.
young
real man.
The man young and intellectual.
The man not even strong talk about that. The girl them sugar. The man girl them sugar. and he picked them baby father. I picked them father.
The best baby father.
In Jamaica.
You saw that person that say in our chat. Look what that person that say in our chat, my sister.
Oh yeah, them not have any. Them not have the school bus. Them not have none in England. Cause my daughter go to school in England. They don't have any after that.
No school bus not there in England. They go England. They live in England before.
No, my daughter went to school in England. They didn't have any school bus.
No, so I just the upstairs bus they have. Just the regular bus. That's a regular bus everybody have it.
So that's why English want to keep you from our school bus because two people them over England or
everything. Aye, boy. Hey, this is spokes in their wheel, you know. This bus after bus after bus are them spokes in their wheel, you know. You see like
but guys, you know,
mash
you
them
can
up.
get premium service to go. Like from Kingston, from Arthur go Negril, and the JLPC bus.
$2,000.
$2,000. $2,000 from Arthur Tree for go.
They're emphasizing on bus.
Negril.
They're emphasizing on bus without no
Jamaica get nice though, not
at all. Like make it make sense. They have no integrity and they are emphasizing on bus. They cannot construct one proper sentence.
They can't talk about bus. Them don't know what it is to take bus. Them don't know what it is to stand up on road and look taxi to go to school or come home from school and can't get none because nobody not carry. Or if you even carry, you have to pack up like a sardine. Cheer on her for hold one seat as school as. Listen to me, man. Them lose it. You know, for this thing, all the people them who company live, them black them and account, they support it. I wonder if they real. That's why Jamaica, you know. Between now, you know, when I big setback in Jamaica, a bad man, you know. So I can't tell you, you know, when me hear.
Soji, hold on there. Hold on there, Soji. Guys, we have 94 people on the live. And the live stuck at 87 from 3 minutes. So I'm going to say the live will move from 87. We have 97. So I'm going to give you something to do. We're going to have an intermission. Because we are teaching, you know. You don't have to tap up your screen. You can't probably help with the gift them yet, but tap up your screen. It's not hard. Use your finger and tap up your screen. And that's how we go. So we're going to get the live to 91K before we continue beat and teach. Tap the screen and we could get the live there.
Tommy.
In the meantime.
It sounds like we have a good microphone system tonight. Tommy. Last night, I was at another function, and I pure problem with the microphone. And me bought a little BC under my bread. Me never mean anybody to hear it. And a live feed pick it up. So I just want to say to anybody who heard it and feel offended, sorry here, sir. Never mean no disrespect. Me never mean to offend nobody. Me's a humble youth and a well-behaved youth. And I would never disrespect Jamaican people.
Yeah, Ramsey.
You sound like a kid.
Anyway,
comrades.
Ridiculous.
Let us get the live to 91K before we go back to
this 60-year-old man at a boy is a humble youth. That old boy.
You're Ramchuk.
And you're trying to speak like us. It sounds
let us vote for better
like a mockery. You're trying to mock our accent.
Let us vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. Vote for Labour.
91K, guys. So we can go back to the top.
Tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Everybody just vote for Labour. Tell them vote for Labour. That's right. Me and me neighbor voting for Labour. Make we vote for Labour. In this election, tell your neighbor to vote for Labour. Why? We are the government. Going back to Parliament. We are
Labour alone.
We give our vote. Labour Party we love the most. At them alone.
Philippian. No Philippian, Kimmy. No one wants me. I request one song still in the way school bus I do them, you know.
We vote for Labour. And vote for Labour. Brothers and
vote for Labour. Go back to the discussion now. 91 with the don't stop tapping, guys. Keep tapping. The host also have a live goal with some anat. If you can, bless the host with some of the anat there, please and thanks. Back to discussion.
I'm just saying. Yeah, I'm gonna send up some anat. Support the live goal, please, people. I'm just saying this old man, he's 60 and he's referring to himself as a youth. And he's the opposition leader. Right? He sounds like he's making a mockery of the Jamaican accent.
Of course, that's what he's doing. Of course.
It sounds really ridiculous. You're muted, Rochelle. Rochelle, you're saying something? Rochelle, you're mute.
Yeah, man, maybe you become me a talk to me, never. Soon come back. Just give me a beat.
So Doran.
I was telling you guys that we need some of them buses. You guys have not the school bus. Because England doesn't have a passenger buses in it, so we need some of that one.
You're saying that you need you're saying that you need some of those buses in England?
Yeah. You have recliner seat with your passenger, what more you want?
Oh.
Man. Some of that, does it?
Those are the premium buses.
Well, we need some of them buses ever.
Oh. So you're telling me that Jamaica has some better buses than the first world country, England.
Very better bus, a long way better than the England buses, isn't it?
If somebody's asking where in England.
Every section in England.
No way in England have no school bus. No way in England have no school bus.
I'm not talking about the school bus either.
No, he's not. I know that they don't have the school bus system in England, but he's talking about the recliner seats. The bus that has the recliner seat.
Oh, the luxury one.
Yes.
Yeah.
Those are the ones that will be running will be going
the luxury tour.
to like Negril.
The luxury drive.
Those are the ones that will be going to the doing like what the Knutsford offer those service, the long haul driving.
Oh, just like we out the one like that now. We have some of those they call them National Express.
Oh.
So it run from London to Birmingham and all that places, everywhere they go all over.
Yeah, man, London to Peterborough. All of them places there. So drive one of them go down to far country there already, you know. Always. Yeah.
But be honest, I'm not gonna stay along with you guys, because I want to watch the meeting in Hanover,
Shower labor right afternoon, everybody. Afternoon. Philippines, Wagwan.
Blessings.
Wagwan Soldier, Wagwan Sunny Dan. Everybody hear me?
Respect. Tari, most of that one, Philippine, with that one get Tari in our box, you know. Tari come do F5 10 minutes or time. Tari, send a request. Okay, one of mine is small. Who can? Oh, yeah. Philippine, take up Tari for me now, please.
Me say yesterday, people, me dep on a live yesterday. What go on, Kimmy? Me dep on a live yesterday. There,
Ariane, one talk now.
Yeah, Kimmy, control the live. Tari, send a request, Tari. Take up here.
Philippine, take down Mr. Richards and then we'll bring him back because David said wants to say something. So I'm a moderator, so I can't take down nobody. So take him down, yeah, and bring up Tari and David. Alright, your time now, Dorian. Go on through. Not hear me? D? D?
But he not come up yet. But David, you know how long more I meet your brethren? Can I tell you something? See I put out something on you. Can I tell you something?
Yeah, access. You have access to certain.
I'm going to stop force you. David, instead of send a request, David. Send a request, my general. Tari, send a request.
Me give something there for the moderator and I say I can take up the people who want to send it. Hold on, I take up who me can take up. Yeah. Tari, when you're ready, you send a request, brother. Big up yourself in the David.
I go on, Sonny.
Yeah, brother, man, respect, man.
Big up yourself. But you know, at your place, usually live at your place, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You know, me more say this. Good day, good afternoon, panels. More say, I always say Warmington don't love the media. And after me see how RGR communication group behave, me not wrong, man. You see, people on the outside, you know, are saying that I'm warming and manners and all them things, but we know we see why the man diss them all the time. Would you agree, Sonny?
Yes, of course you know why.
Of course you know why. Whenever I do that, that's why I'm not taking that. That's why I'm not, you know what I'm not like doing a whole if I interview and everything because them ever try to, you know?
Yeah, because they're a hypocrite. They're a hypocrite. They're a hypocrite.
The media, one of the main people who them try to use and try to pay them Mr. Warmington, especially TV show.
No man, so it's RJ communication group, man. As I them a TVJ cleaner, hits and whatever they call it.
That group there, out of everybody, always I try to get at them, man, you know.
But you know, say me no want to put a goat mouth for the government, you know, because in my heart, me know say JLP cannot lose. Because you notice every time when the PNP, say like Warmington blunder with the bad word on the stage. And Miss Mama Lashy I talk about police you can lock up Warmington. And then go shame when Bakra Masa are swampy, as Nick Kibi said.
The swampy never tour. One swamp up.
One swamp up, yeah. And me I say, just look at God. Look at God. The man go cuss about it because the mic now work. And all of a sudden, you don't want to remove the profanity laws off the books. What a hypocrisy that people. And you know, it's like it comes like some Jamaican people that have amnesia. Because they must have amnesia.
David. Before you go any further, I big up you, man, for your commentaries, them, man. As you post them, I repost them in a general. Continue the good work, man. Must tell you, man. I like what you are doing in a general. Big things you are going on, you know. Yeah, man, I love your commentary, them, man, where you post, man. I tell you. And you know, if you say, if you say Jamaican people, if you say bad eye PMP, you must say that it's bad eye PMP them. Because Jamaican people, I say clearly, and the PMP them with the bad eye.
With the bad eye,
farm fool. Yeah. We not be Jamaica people, because Jamaica people are see through. And I go do the right thing come next year.
David, remember so when you say that they can't feel no way because Damien Crawford tell you, you know.
Yeah. Damien Crawford tell us that they have bad eye, you know. You understand?
I remember KD Knight said something about Mark Bowling say he's not fit to be a prime minister either.
He said he should never be. He said he should never be. He said, I remember saying, me and Motley said, so Motley, what's your name? So Motley, the senator, say, in corrupt, he should never be prime minister of Jamaica also. The same woman we are run back home now.
Which Motley that? Which Motley?
The one, the senator, man, the senator. And Motley, she name, man?
Donna Scott
Motley, yeah. Donna Scott Motley.
She said to her own a PMP? PMP money?
Yes. Yeah, man, when they have it run off. Because remember, she did on the opposite side, you know. She never did on the right side first, you know. She did on the opposite side when they have a run off the presidency at the PMP. Yeah. She said, Mark Bowling corrupt. Yeah. He should never be Prime Minister of Jamaica.
Boy,
our leader.
All I can say, you know, is that it seems like everything these people try to do is like God is like God stepping in midst and say, wait.
Expose them.
I just expose them.
Yeah, man. David, that's why you're here. TikTok, David, that's why you're here.
David, but the thing is, you realize that the Bible, you notice, me deep in people. Me think about this very deep, ever look
past Zion.
Eh?
Don't trouble Zion.
You ever look on it? You notice one time Andrew go around the old people or them start pray, or them start speaking in them tongues, or them start anointing from head to toe, or them beg the Lord to cover him, or them do everything. And then you have the children, and the Bible says a little child shall lead them. When they see Andrew come, them run to him. When them see Mark come, what them do? Them just dead. Mark take picture and all I put them put up show a finger. And you gonna tell me said that no give you a wake up call, my swamp up? That no make no sense. That is why my life and my moderators over there say keep it the way you do. Because we want to hear why the undecided voters to come tell me why I must vote for them. We are still not living in a time when them can just think say them have settings and get away with it. Last night, David, from my life, me never did a go rant. Me never keep it at how it was going until the little boy come talk about said the boss then do this. And I go do this to the picnic then. We say, do you ever see the guy in the comment section? I talk about say old boss and old boss I'm go broke down and it go analyze the picnic them for true. Hey, I thought me go from the live last night, David. I thought me get ranted last night,
Hey, me. Listen, me I tell all of you.
Hi, baby.
Me I beg you, stop entertaining PNP people in panel live, yeah? Because
no, man, me not stop. My live have a different leeway as the rest of Labour right live then. Mine is going out to the undecided voters. And we're asking the Labourites to come up and tell us why we must vote PNP, why we must vote Labourites.
Nothing wrong with what you're doing. Me talk about Caution, Ingram, next.
Ingram from the live, no dear.
Okay.
And the only reason why I did bring up Caution, the only reason why I did actually bring up Caution was to tell him condolences because he lost a loved one. Somebody where me and him know, I'm a good friend too. So that was like the only thing. Never really gonna make him talk.
Well, I did me talk. All right. There is this guy. What's his name? Imbala. That's his name. He was on the PNP side, and me don't know who convert him. I think either Chuck or Chaps converted and started in the history of how this country are run. And because I keep seeing people talking about, oh, these two parties are not the same, or we must bring in UIC. And me, this is my opinion. I feel UIC is a affiliate of the PNP, but they might do it under style. You agree, Soji?
Yeah, but I say to you, whether they want under style or no style, they must stay with the same place where they're there. They must stay same place where they're there. Me no care what kind of style they're under. Because I watch them for true, From what I watch them, David, but I realize something. Them now have no traction neither, so it doesn't matter. Them not draw nobody to them, so you don't even watch them.
In my
alright. They might look a bit of hold on there. They have a political party with a little bit of people. I want a little bit of men can't follow them. Them not ready for this. Them not ready for this right now. This is about them.
This is my argument. You cannot be saying that PNP and JLP are the same. You are damn liar.
No.
Right now we are physical. It's different.
David, watch this. Just listen to me, I said to you. So just draw this reference. 1972, PNP coming to power. The unaliving rate was 145. 1980, when they left office, unaliving rate was 884. Check it, 1989, when JLP left office, unaliving rate 439. 2007, when PNP left office, 1600 and odd. What comparison there can be? How can there be any comparison with the two governments? If you understand what I say to yourself. One get it and raise it by 400%, then the next time you raise it by 500%. What comparison can there be? Look at this again. 1972 to 1980, Michael Manley come out and say, if you don't like what I want, 5 flights a day I go to Miami. Small business people, them take with themselves with their money what they need have. And gone. Jamaica run to the dogs. 1990, 97, 95, 94, 96. 44,000 business crash. Man unalive themselves. All kind of sitting up. Because our PMP government.
How does somebody come back from that? You crash 44,000 business. And you know, saying the people them, but then
I don't apologize. But they don't apologize to the people them neither for bad decision or interest rate, but then give them to kill them business.
But Soji, this is my argument. If you have 44,000 business and they were striving, right? Because I think after Siaga do where him do, the people start, you know, and then PPP come in now, and you raise interest rate overnight, right? And you think say you gonna save the 44,000 business. This is common sense. If you have 44,000 businesses, right? Say average 20 person working on the business. You know what people that, you know what tax revenue that, and you prefer to save your sell the debt to your friend, so your friend can get for $35 and their dollar. When I see people, Jamaican business people, you should have saved. How PNP come out from that?
So again, David, we have a lady in the box beside me there, so 101 mechanical. The first part of the name. What's your take? What's up? Good afternoon. It's not my live, it's Sunny live. I'm just here.
Yeah, I understand. All right, I'm going to say something to you guys. In life, what I see going on in this country overall, PMP are labor right in a power. It don't make a difference. Because the end of the day is the same crime rate going up and down every single day when PMP are labor right.
No. Let me stop you, miss. Nothing like that.
Go ahead.
I just spoke of that, my lady. I said to you, between 90 when PMP came into power, 1972 in Jamaica, the unaliving rate was 145 for the year. When PMP left office 1980, the unaliving rate was 884 per year.
True.
Listen to this, you know. When Labour right took over, they took it back down to half, to 439 when they were left in office 1989.
That's true.
So it can't be them same thing, miss. Can't be them same thing. It can never be.
No, but when I want to ask your uncle, when PMP in a power, what the difference they do for call it say no, people out there need job, people out there need help. As an example, there's no assessment as far as I see. They specialize in who to help from who not to help.
That is who? PMP?
Labor right, both labor right and PMP.
No, miss.
You are lying.
Hold on, wait, hold on. Let me talk to her. Miss, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me what I'm saying to you. I'm on this live and talking to you, but on a regular basis, nobody know who I am. Whether I'm labor right or PMP. Well, no man, just listen to me. Nobody know. My co-worker them, few of them might know, say me lean to a certain side. But they don't know. People on a regular day don't know who I vote for. You understand me? So, listen to me right now. You know, you hear of the unemployment rate, what it is right now in Jamaica? You know of it?
No.
What is it?
No, I don't know about it, sir.
All right, so presently it is at 3.3%. But listen to what I'm going to say to you.
Yes.
In the hotel industry, the BPO industry, the construction industry is short of worker presently in Jamaica. You hear what I just said to you a while ago? Three main industries I mentioned to you. The tourism industry, the BPO, and the construction industry is short of worker in Jamaica. So if presently you're in Jamaica not working, you choose not to.
No,
that's what I'm saying.
Okay, but I say something to you about that now. I send my resume several places, housekeeping. I don't know if it's true I don't have subject, but I have the skills. I send my what you call it no resume and a lot of places, and I don't get a call.
All right. Hold on a minute. Wait. Never try to help her. Hold on. Miss, which area do you live in?
Kingston.
Kingston, and you're trained, you have a hard certificate in housekeeping?
No, I don't finish the course as yet.
But you're not trained, you haven't done the job. You haven't done any housekeeping job or anything.
No. Just starting.
All right, so you will have to finish that before they will definitely look at you, because they need that certificate to say you would have gone through this process.
Where are you living? I live in Miss Holness, Constitution.
What's your
Constituency.
name? Hold on, Soji. Mute. Hold on, Soji. Everybody mute. Mute. Quiet. What is your name?
Ishika.
Nishika?
I know you. Yes.
Which part of there you live?
I live right at Berkeley there, so.
So Shika, and if for the same person that
yes, I know you.
Okay, all right.
Yes,
so
I mean same. That's why I come in your inbox and ask you if you could assist me, because I'm trying to get in something to do and I cannot get it.
Okay, so no problem. So have you ever gone up by the office to speak to anybody up there about your situation?
Okay, I go up there, and when I go up there, the first thing I apply, I ask for help for house, and them tell me said I supposed to, what you call it, them go and call me when the house is ready. And I remember I go up there again and ask if they can assist me to get something to do. And I saw them said to me said I must go by what you call it, down to a back from ministry there, so I must sign up with the housekeeping something. I must sign up with them before them can assist me to get any work.
Right. So but let me say this to you. While it is that you said you don't get any help, you can't.
No,
hold on, honey. Hold on.
Yeah.
You can't sit down and wait on the help to come. So if they told you, hold on. If they told you last month to wait, and you give it last month the wait, right? In the next month, you go back and say, is there any update on my application?
Yes, I always.
Shika. But Shika, what is it? Remember good. Yeah. It's not even taste is the other day. I walk in a puppy and I said, they want anybody to work.
I send in, sis, make I tell you where I send in my resume. I send in my resume
so this is what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to revamp your resume for you. When I say revamp, I normally charge to do the service because it's not easy to do. But I'm going to have you message me and send me a resume. I will revamp the resume for you. Once I revamp your resume, I will send it back to you. After I'm through sending your resume back to you, I will also reach out to a friend of mine who I know is always hiring persons and see if there's any open position for anybody, for you.
Now, right, because what I do, you know, when I go down there, I apply for it and them tell me said them were going to call me back. Then give me even a paper to do the test. And when I do the test, them said to me, they will call me back, and them never call me back. That's
so your resume can be a thing. So I normally charge to do my resume.
Kimmy's gonna take it up, Shika. Kimmy's gonna take it up. Make you get a job. You're gonna get a job.
And at the end of the day, I'm gonna say this to you as well. Parkview Supermarket is also hiring.
Which supermarket?
Parkview.
That's in Papine?
Yes. If you go to
I will write a resume send there.
If you go to Variety and speak to the boss lady, they are also
I go over there. Variety, that is the one across from
Parkview.
Yes, I go over there and I asked the Chinese lady and she said them do not want anybody at the moment. I go there and I go by what you call it? I search ILO supermarket. I go Park View and I go Brooklyn supermarket in Alfred Street. And when them go, I ask them, walk in and I ask them and them tell me, say them do not want any workers at the moment. I just supposed to let off my resume.
Alright, so I'll message you throughout sometime today when the live, well, I'm gonna be on my live later on as well. I'll send you and I'll give you a revamp of your resume. You can also try the security companies. They are also hiring. It could be a resume.
My friend, she's in the box. She tell me about it also.
She can't no work. She can do not know that
girl, do not do that. Several me send out, girl. Several me send out. Me may not tell people me business, girl. Several me send out.
And a little bit of time, I talk to Shika. Shika could have done the summer program. I am on it and I'm working at King Alarm as well. King Alarm, she don't want nothing. I'm not care if you want to have me off after my talk. I talk the truth. They don't want nothing, girl.
Listen, don't get me wrong, sis. If I never want to work, sis, and the assessment, I would never go inside of your inbox and ask you to inbox to help me to do the online work. I send out my resume.
No, honey. No. Shika, I'm going to be completely honest with you, and this is by no means that I'm disrespecting you. I personally I cannot coach you to do an online job. I'm going to be very honest. It's not an easy task. And because I know you and I know your background, it's not an easy task. Now, if your friend is telling me no, it begs me to think, what else?
Sis, why she ever said I don't need a job? I more than need a job. I send out a letter. You don't know anything, girl. It's not everything you know about me. You know where me send out my resume from when I don't send it out? Right now, even walking and looking work right now.
Even the day when I said me I go art, you could have come with me.
I signed up with it.
Which one of the program?
I signed up with it for the housekeeping because I can do the housekeeping and them do not. I signed up with it.
Summer program, I have the one that
sign up with it. And not like that don't sign up. Me sign up with it and me do the test and them tell me say them I'm going to call me back and I don't get no call back.
How old are you?
Two center inside of my community. How
old are you?
Alright, stop. Rest it. Hold on. Chosen, you said that you're on the summer program and you talked to her about it. Which one of the summer program is it that you're on that you think she didn't sign up for or she should have signed up for?
The one for art. I go at Southern Road and I do the test and the interview is going fine. And they give me a call and say that it starts. I started 2 weeks now while I'm still working at King Alarm. I do most of night shift. So I work in the morning on the program from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. The shift with King Alarm starts from 6 a.m.
So you're working at King Alarm, correct?
Yes.
And is King Alarm hiring?
Yes, even started.
Always. King Alarm is always hiring. Let me step in for that. King Alarm is always hiring. Always.
Exactly.
Always.
A matter of fact, every security company always hiring.
Simple. Yeah. Yeah, man. Always.
Shika, I'm going to revamp your resume for you. I'll have you send it to me. To my email. I'll give you my email of the year. I'll revamp it for you for free. After it's done revamping, you're gonna give it to your friend. Basically, maybe she can drop it off down there, and then we're gonna find other alternatives.
Excuse, I don't really need to give nobody my resume to
that's
say
video you don't like.
My auntie's here. My auntie's here, and I feel my auntie.
Shika.
So when she ever come down and I say me don't need a job, and then she ever tell me don't need a job.
Shika, you can't load that mighty and wrong, you know, Shika. Hold on, Shika. You can't make it wrong. Hold on, listen to me. Hold on to me. Hold on the choosing and Sheikah. Hold on. You may say Sheikah. Then just we are moving past everything now. We are moving. It's not working for you. It's not working for you what you're doing presently. So we're gonna move past that. Kimmy is telling you what she's gonna do and then what you're gonna do. Because what you're doing, Sheikah, is not working for you. It's apparently not working for you. So we have to move past that to get you up to scratch. You understand me? So don't get boisterous or vex or loud.
No, because she got
wait no. But are your friend and she talking truth.
Because even
She tell you the truth. She are your friend.
I told her, I said,
come on, Sheikah, calm down, man.
Go recruit because she said she's not going. I'm gonna say, all right, you can keep my baby for me, and then I go. And she said she will let me know because she have a 9 nights to go. I am not telling any lie on her. And she said,
Uncle, excuse please. I'm going to assist with that one. She said to me, we must come by our house and keep the baby. I look at her and I tell her, said, if you can't carry the baby, come at my house. I'm not going to keep the baby. That's what I said to her. I'm not going to keep the baby if you can't carry the baby, come by my house. That's not even my responsibility.
All right, Sheikah, hold on, Sheikah. We
so
move past all of that.
Recruit, so I asked her
you need to go recruit. You need to go recruit. That's what I talk about right now. You need to go recruit.
The 19th of this.
We don't want to hear nothing else. You need to go recruit. Story done. You need to find yourself at the recruiting office of King Alarm and get yourself started out. That is what I'm saying to you right now.
Before you go, I will try to get the resume revamp for you to the 17th and at the 19th. I said I'm a recruit, right?
Yes.
And have it sent to you. So yeah.
Simple like that. Sheikah. That's where we're gonna go from here. You're gonna find yourself at the recruiting office and start yourself out.
Down at South Camp Road, right?
No, St. T's High School in Crossroad.
Okay. I want to say thank you for coming up and sharing that they are recruiting. So if there's any young laborites on the live or any laborites at all that is on the live or PNP on the live on our work, they are having recruitment at King Alarm on the 19th. Please go and, get a job. Welcome to the live, everybody.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I came up just to drop in this. I hear the back and forth with the two friends. However, young ladies, please be mindful of your deportment when you're dropping off your resume or asking for vacancy in any store. Be mindful of your deportment, how you dress, how you carry yourself, how you approach. Because some approach is just a turn off. Even if they want somebody, your approach alone, they just say no. And your deportment, by looking at you, they just say no. Even because some people are judgmental. So even if they don't know your background, just one look at you, they say you can't do nothing to them. And I'm saying this because the other day an MP or a councillor in a particular area assist some young ladies for the hotel industry, and they got the job, and within a week they were relieved, and they were called in. Management was calling the authority. What kind of people are these? What kind of lady are these? So the vagabond behavior where some people go on the job with, and not even them not finish them probation period yet, but them carry on with all kind of something. So, please be mindful, ladies, when we're seeking a job, how we act, or we can, if ever that, try to bite on the tongue, count to 10 back and forth, and so forth. Just please be mindful. Okay?
Yeah, you can't bring the same beer that we have in the community in our workplace. No.
Because my daughter just changed her job, and this morning she called me in her uniform to show up. So she in a Pegasus. You understand? And she just started Monday.
And the thing is, that's what I'm saying, and I appreciate the life for these things, because no one understand that. See, the hotel industry is hiring. So why not put yourself together? Now, I personally, I'm gonna be honest. If me know you're not capable, Flowers, and I'm not I mean, not this nobody by the education standard, but working for US-based company from home is not an easy task. It's not. You have to remember me told you, as much as I will work in my marina and shots, it's not an easy task for work because the hours are long. It's hectic, although I'm home, and that's why my life is I have to do it at home. But Sheikah, if someone is saying to you, you can do this and do that, don't turn it down. Don't have a rebuttal to everything, because at the end of the day, you need a job, you need help, you need to make money. You're a mother, right? You're a mother. You cannot rely on going around and say, I want help. And let me tell you, I don't know what you had on the day when you went to Variety, but my cousin went in there Monday and she started work Tuesday. Let me say that to you.
I went there. I tell you, I went there the Friday, and they asked me what part of the work I was looking for, and I said to her, merchandiser. And she said to me, the merchandiser not available at the moment. So she said to me, do you have an experience of the, what you call it, the cashier? And I said to her, no, I don't have an experience of the cashier. So she said to me, the merchandiser, it's not available now. But I'm supposed to just leave off my resume, and then they will give me a call.
I think you have to apply to directly to the companies to get through.
Yes, that's what you have to do. You have to send in a resume, and they called you.
No, but I think you apply
for merchandising.
Merchandising don't have the supermarket, don't hire merchandisers.
At the supermarket.
No, the supermarket don't hire merchandisers. No.
So that's what she said to me, to just let off my resume, and I print up the resume and I bring it.
Listen, what you need to do, right?
Yes.
But merchandiser, you have to have only per subject too.
No, you don't. I used to do merchandiser.
Not really, Kim. Not really, but you have to apply into companies like Grace, companies first, like Lasco, companies like so.
So
they will.
I used to do merchandiser for what you call it again? The biscuit company, but through the Carrefour.
Excelsior.
Yeah.
All right, Sheikah, but tomorrow, Saturday, you're going to go down to St. Hugh's High School, go down recruiting for King Alam. Please and thanks. So get yourself started. Get yourself started properly.
Today how much?
Today 17. So Saturday 19. Saturday 19.
Okay.
Yeah,
Saturday 19.
Saturday, yeah.
Yeah, so you get yourself ready and go down there, go see what you can make of yourself. Please and thanks. Nobody sit down home.
Problem.
Yes, you go down there, St. Hugh's High School. Your friend will give you the information.
I know where it is. I go down there before.
Yeah, so don't come with no hard feelings sometime. We just have to suck salt through wooden spoon.
Uncle,
yes.
Listen what I'm trying to say to you. And don't get it wrong. She don't know if I got the places before. I have 2 children. The end of the day is, if I want something, I'm going to go for it. The end of the day is, I go as far as when I was working with 138 down by campus. They do security work also. And them even tell me, said the only way I can get the security work with 138, I have to have a certificate for the security.
So listen, you have, and
I don't have a certificate for it. So they said to me, I have to go back to school to get a certificate, so I can get the work with the 138. I was doing housekeeping with them.
Listen, also why I said the 123 is a security company or what?
Them have housekeeping on it. Them have them do all type of parts, security, housekeeping.
Security, which company do that security?
No, I was trying to my contract did up with the 138 with the housekeeping, and I did want them to put me over to the security part. and them said to me, me have to have some certificate before me can do the security part with the 138 company.
I think King Alarm train you on spot here. King Alarm train you.
But
King Alarm train you for 2 weeks.
No, but I think they have some company who do that thing.
Yeah, but
you have to have some company forget to the security. Them tell you said you have to have an experience of it before them can apply for it.
I don't think you have to have an experience.
Certificate for
but
it.
I am telling you, it's Soji, well I know. May I tell you say now, say they have places who change security guard. And I think they charge you for the certificate, and then maybe some company will put you in a security company.
Yes, but King Alarm do on-the-spot training too.
Yeah, we know
on-the-spot.
We know that. So, but
yes,
you have some company who do it because you have this man named Mr. Reed down Clarendon.
Right, they are Kingston too. Office they are Kingston too. They have office at Kingston too.
We're security guard.
We're going to digress, right? So Chica,
yes, sis.
Send me the resume. I'm gonna try to done. Hopefully I send it back to you. Get it a little revamp and kind of fix it up so it look better because it could be how it is presented. Another thing is I'm gonna also tell you this. In life, you have to listen and not rebut everything someone suggests. I had to learn that the hard way. I had to learn that if I wanted help, I had to go to the sources. And when I go there, I had to listen. No, yes, I work. Yes, I'm okay. Yes, things, yeah, but I still need help, but I still have to listen. So I want you to understand this.
Yes.
Do not rebut everything. Don't have an attitude towards everything. And when you're going to go to where you're going to go to look a job, remember, do this. Use your children. I thought you only had one. I never know it was two.
No,
but use your children. Put them as a visual in front of your eyes.
Motivation.
Focus on them and use them as your motivation to want to work.
Yes.
If it is a case where you think you have to walk entire day to get a job, before I start working from home, I got university, go clean toilet from a picnic. So if you have to go down to the ground level, go down to the ground level until you come up to the top. You're not going to get there today. You're not going to get there tomorrow, but you will get there. And do not let nothing. So let me tell you something. You don't have the qualifications. Let me just give you another one.
Yes, sis.
Let me give you another one. You see the janitors over UC, they make crazy money.
I know that jack them, yes, I know.
You know what you can do? They are no. Stop saying you already apply. This is what you do. Wake up in the morning, put on a nice skirt, put on a nice top, put on something nice, put on your clothes. Go down there, listen. I am a mother, a single mother. I'm seeking a job. I know how to clean. Can you assist me in getting one? I checked my resume. I sent it, but no response. So I'm taking the initiative to come here myself. Because me want the work.
Yes, ma'am.
That's what you do. Get up.
No problem.
If you have to go start and want wholesale, whatever you have to go do for your picnic them, get up and do it. But at this point, I'll help you with your resume, but you can't rebut everybody and rebut everything. It's not a good look and it don't sound good.
Amen. Amen.
Amen.
Kimmy.
Yeah.
You see, a lot of time people say other people and say, and them you don't know half of their story. Because if I should start to talk my story, people would have look different past me. You hear me? I say to yourself, but guess what? I always have, Kimmy. I'm always motivated. I always know to stay firm and strong on what I'm going after. I, in Jamaica, one time was doing 3 jobs. Nobody can tell me nothing because I was doing it. I find way to do 3 jobs. You hear me say to you, Kimmy? In Jamaica, I find way to do 3 jobs. So people can say them sometimes, Kimmy, you have to tell yourself. You have to motivate yourself. This is what I want. I mean, I stop.
So, just like listen, a lot of jobs are here, you know, but some of the jobs them when they are some of them they don't really qualify for.
That's
So
it.
that's
what them tell me also. They told me also, I'm not afraid to talk, bro. Them tell me if even one day I go, me tell you where I go one of them, and the woman said to me, no disrespect, sister. You may have the housekeeping on your resume and all of those stuff, but you are not qualified for the work because them said I don't have subject for certain job that I want to do. That's what them tell me. As some me used to go do on janitor work.
But start there,
I start from janitor work. Me go as far as go as clean people house. Me no know where me no go.
Well,
I
keep at it. Keep
anywhere
at it, baby.
me try forget me always go look the work.
Keep at it. Keep at it. Shika, but here I'm gonna say to you, sir. While you're at it, find place in it to upskill yourself. Find place in it. If you get a job somewhere, you get a job at Hawkeye when you go there, at King Alarm when you go there Saturday, find space to upskill yourself. To go back to school if you can. Whatever you can. You have to remember, you know, you can't just say you get a job and that's it. Because you have to try to look better past that job. You have to always tell yourself, say, I can do better than this. I can do better than this. Just remember that. We have, listen, I can't tell you, Sheikah, listen to me. I stopped school at 10th grade, you know, not because I'm bright, but because of my mom's sickness. Just remember this. Because of my mother's sickness. I'm not afraid to tell the world. And a bright boy picked me, but me have to stop. Couldn't function because of my mother's sickness. But here I am today with a family married for 18 years, 3 children, own home, cars, money in my account.
Hey,
today,
send me some there. Hey, me beg you $5,000.
Today my account, happiness.
So
you understand me?
$5,000.
You understand me? By what?
Yes.
Working hard, focus, and getting something for myself. When I tell my parents I'm gonna join the army at 17 plus, they say, what you say? Me say that never do. And from I did that, it took off like a them say jet plane. I never look back.
Yeah,
so you understand me?
We are going, Shika, we're going to go about the Prime Minister's business, right? So take our advice. And I'm going to say this. If you went to all of these other persons and they say you're not qualified, my friend that is working at UWI as a porter, he's not qualified. He has no qualification, but he's a porter. And the other day he said to me, I never know I could get a job without having it. And he went through a lot, you feel me? Without having it. And he's now working and making good money because minimum wage raise. So what you can do, my dear, is, as I said, put on your clothes and that is it. When you're going out there, remember me walk and look work already. Walk one entire day. Work a call center. I don't know what I haven't done just to make sure that I'm okay for my son. So it's time for you to do that. But thank you for joining. I'll message you and I will make you get me the resume, send me the resume to my email, and I'll revamp it for you, and you can use the newer version of the resume that I'll send you and see if you will get anything from that.
No problem, I will.
All right, no problem. So thanks for coming up.
Okay.
And Chosen, thank you for telling us about the job fair for what then we really appreciate it.
For King Alarm.
I will definitely talk about it on my live later. And Sonny Dan, I know you're going to say something about it and we'll talk about it. So we appreciate you for sharing. Thank you very much and thank you for coming up. Flowers, do you have anything more to say?
David, put up something on the screen there. What you want to tell David? Away a Jade. David, you have got Jade sitting for me, you know. Away my Jade.
You can't, but I will.
Hey, David, you have got Jade one plan for me, you know. You know, I said, you just show the screen.
Starky Depot on the line. Starky say, how the man forgive himself 300%? Hey, again, is last night the body now? But nah, like, I lost a till.
No, not real life. You have, Kimmy, me tell you this. You have some people who come, we're really illiterate, you know. They just don't know what to say more time, you know. They just listen to people and just come with beer rubbish. And then, you see, when they ask them certain questions, they cannot answer because they don't have no idea of what they might talk about. They just hear something and work with it.
All right, young boss, we see you in the box. Good afternoon. Welcome. How are you doing today? Anything to say or contribute to the live? I know it's politics talk always. What's up? Young boss?
I was just listening to you, bro.
We're not hear you.
Not hearing me. Hear me now.
You're low. Low bad.
We're still not hear you. Maybe I can go drop and come up back. You're low. You're very, very low. Flowers, you still have anything to say about the party's business or anything like that?
Good afternoon again. You know, I'm in a shop, so therefore I did just click the live and I hear that conversation. However, I don't know what you guys were discussing and saying. But on the matter of the country's business or the party, well,
no, sir. Well, flowers, man. No flowers, man. You have to go in a parliament with that, you know. You have to go put you in a parliament, you know. One flowers.
The party business is always progressing, and they I mean, have the microphone, so. I'm always in progress, and as I tell some people, even yesterday, I have to talk to a young man with the same job situation walk into the shop, and we were having a conversation, and he was saying what he had, what skill area he has, and so forth, and he wanted a job. Though I'm in a shop, so sometime I'm gonna no.
Yeah, we understand.
I get in customer in front of me, so I go mute.
You can't just say mic check before you come on. You can't just say mic check. You ready?
All right.
You can't just say
all right. Give me a minute. We gone again. 2 minutes.
No, Flowers.
Yeah.
Or you can just tap the screen and say yo.
You know, not too bad.
Ready? You look ready.
Soldier, me say them know here.
Yeah, man. This is what I'm going.
You look ready. Your sound ready. Huh?
Just in one week, me not just do what I'm about.
Stop it, man. Labor rights. Yeah. Yo. You look ready? Your sound ready? One. Yo. Hey. We're ready, Labor rights.
What about you? Testing.
Anybody get carrying inside the mic need to cool down.
Not true. Hey, Kimmy, watch this now, Kimmy. Hey, Kimmy, watch this now, Kimmy. Hey, you know what it is, but you know what I say? Labor right is a joy to your soul. Jamaica Labour Party, when you listen to the people them bring so much joy all over, you know. And that's a mad PMP, you know. When you go, I want JLP, something, you have to laugh, you have to feel the vibes, have fun. It is not just listening ardently to the Prime Minister or the speakers. They make you smile, then give you some joke, they make you think nice. And I like them other side, they will preach war and more war and blood and fire. And I like that side there. When you go want JLP rally, I laugh and laughter.
Karen, so make Andrew come up on that mic.
Man, not tell you what.
Hey, parents, and some plates, you know. It's not a woman.
She terrible, man. She terrible, man.
You know. You remember when she did in a parliament?
All right, guys. Remember, the host has a live goal. It has a 50 a night. If you can, please help to meet the live goal by sending a night. If you want to bless the panel, we too appreciate the gift. I mean, we have to talk the Prime Minister business. We have to be on dialogue about the Prime Minister's business. Sonny run the live during the day, Kimmy run fair one at night time, and trust me, my one spicy at night time because at them time that they don't them come out. You understand? So when them come out with
I will beat and teach them. I will beat and teach them with the bell. Hey, we're black man there. Kimmy, we're black man there. We are going to school, you know. A black man in here, you know.
David, where I say?
I'm saying you have tolerance, me have none.
Listen, remember I know. You see the reason why I take on the role, even though I kind of get a little backlash, but I'm not going to stop. The role of an undecided voter. We need to hear. We need the people them to hear. We need to have somebody, a labor right somebody, because we have a labor right where we have every life attack positive things. All of the labor right life them attack positive. Cool? We need a life where go come now with a life where say, me undecided. Convince me. But when you go convince me, don't convince me like say you don't know. Cause you say Marky J work, but Andrew do better. Make it make sense. That was the convincing me. So Andrew may go vote for because you convince me to go vote for Andrew because he might do more work than Marky J. My swamp up. My swampy.
Make sure Navi dip on it, yeah?
Yeah man, me reach out to Navi. Tari, send a request, honey. What him said, my view, give me your thing sweet last night. Thank you.
Piece of bed, I told them I eat that, man.
My live, Pablo, this evening it's gonna start. I start 5:30 until the live ready for done. So whenever we feel to stop, I guess I must stop.
How many Guinness?
Eh?
How many piece bed?
One swamp up, one swampy.
Oh yes. Because we catch him with down there with Lord God. And you want but what on there? But Mark G is not a fit person, so he can't run for government. You have to be a fit.
Right now, me know sir, if you go silent right now, you think I piss enough.
No, he more like things as a Ray and him.
You know, say a real thing as a David because you notice that if Mark go in there, Triller and he send there house small and him bring about the Mark that Jack's a black backslide, you know.
But people, I want you to understand that is not Marky G is standing by to be the next prime minister, you know. He's really bunting, you know. He might pull off where Bruce pull off with Andrew, you know. It's not even a pull off thing. You know that Bruce said the PNP bingo him, so he was step down. He just want
to see it. He just want to see it. Bunting just want to see it. But you know him, you know see
Marky G, Hold on, Guinness. Just you know what David has said, Marky G want to win. And then
we know about that.
Slip it over Bunting. Yeah, and slip it over Bunting. And that him want.
But Bunting, I forget to see it because he don't see it. So he might get it.
You never know. Them crafty, you know. Them good at give him them good at get Bunting golden seat for
remember say actually never get no actually lose a man what make him have a long time, you know.
Yeah, but that goal can't give him.
David, make we give young boss a talk after that clip in his ear. Make we play that clip in his ear, and after that we give young a talk as him up here in Japan come back, so hopefully we can hear him.
Who won't take offense to some things that you say, but there are others that will. And some politicians will calculate, all right, who am I going to offend and who am I going to gain? That is what you call the popularity game. As leader of the country, I don't have that luxury to play the popularity game. I still have to serve all publics, all people of Jamaica. And no matter what is said and what is done, ultimately, I am the standard bearer for the standards of the country and the society, and I cannot compromise that. So my brothers and sisters in Christ, it is a blessing to be gathered here in Whole Harbour, not just as members of a political movement, but as people of faith, united in the belief that God is sovereign over all things, including politics and governance. There are things that I will readily admit that it is not within my control. And politics, it is like liquor. When you drink too much of it, you get drunk. And people get drunk on power. But even the fumes of power can get you drunk. Some people have gotten drunk on just the fumes of power.
You know, say Wilmington a set on. Wilmington's a checky mic. You know, listen, I listened to that clip like about 6 times before I could have even move, because the man spoke so poised, so eloquent.
Amen. And that's what I wanted to say to our labor rights, young and old. Some of us understand quicker than some. Our vocabulary is, our comprehension skill is faster than some. So some of us have to take days, even weeks, hours to process. But we want us all as labor rights to process when the Prime Minister speaks.
Read that comment.
When the Prime Minister speaks, this Prime Minister speaks with intellect, and we must also understand. You understand? Pick it apart and understand what he's saying. Because as a no matter what happens, no matter the talk, him have a country to run, and that is more important than anything else. You understand? So as you say, Kimi, we listen and